Welcome to our updated guide on how to send a GIF on X Twitter using your Android device. Let's add some fun and creativity to your tweets with these simple steps. To get started, open the X Twitter app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, locate and tap on the chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your direct messages. Choose the specific chat you want to send a GIF in. Open the chat to proceed to the next step. Now, look for the GIF icon located at the bottom left corner of the chat window. Tap on this icon to bring up the options for adding GIFs to your message. Select a GIF by tapping on it from the available selection. You can choose a GIF that matches the tone or message you want to convey in your tweet. Next, explore the option to add stickers to your tweet. Tap on the sticker icon and choose a sticker that complements your GIF or adds an extra touch of personality to your message. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your tweets on X Twitter by incorporating GIFs and stickers. Make your tweets more engaging and expressive by adding visual elements that capture attention and convey your message effectively. Stand out on your timeline and interact with your followers in a more dynamic and interactive way through the use of GIFs and stickers.